Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Always Period underwear is probably one of the most innovative solutions to hit the market for managing periods, offering a discreet and comfortable alternative to traditional pads and tampons, and allowing you to go about your day with confidence and freedom, no matter what life throws your way. This revolutionary product is designed to feel just like regular underwear while providing superior leak protection, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a more convenient and worry-free period experience. Number 5. Always Discreet 56 CT. Discover a new level of protection with Always Discreet. Designed for ultimate comfort and security, it helps you feel confident all day long. Experience worry-free days with our advanced leak protection. It's designed to keep you feeling dry and secure, no matter what. Enjoy unparalleled comfort with its soft, breathable material. You'll barely notice it's there, but you'll always feel protected. Its slim design ensures discretion, fitting seamlessly under your clothes. You can move through your day with confidence and peace of mind. Get the reliable protection you deserve with this value pack. It's the smart choice for everyday confidence and security. What we like. This option offers discreet protection for everyday leaks. It also features excellent odor control, keeping you feeling fresh. If you need reliable protection that's virtually unnoticeable, this is a great choice. What people say. These are great for overnight protection and prevent leaks. The underwear is comfortable and fits well, providing good coverage. They are a good alternative to pads and tampons, offering a secure and discreet option. Number 4. ZZZ Overnight Disposable Period Underwear for Women, Large. Tired of leaks disrupting your sleep? Introducing our overnight period underwear, designed for ultimate protection. Experience complete 360 degrees coverage that moves with you. You can finally sleep soundly without any worries. These are specifically designed for women seeking reliable protection. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit all night long. Our large size ensures a comfortable and secure fit for many. Get the coverage you need for a peaceful night. Each pack contains 14 disposable units, conveniently split into 2 packs of 7. Stock up and be prepared for your cycle. Wake up feeling refreshed and confident. These provide the dependable protection you need for uninterrupted sleep. What we like. Designed for ultimate overnight security, it provides 360 degrees leak protection. Sleep soundly without any worries about leaks. If you're a heavy sleeper or tend to move a lot at night, this will give you peace of mind. What people say. The underwear is designed to be worn with pads or tampons for extra leak protection. It has a built-in absorbent layer that can hold up to 2 tampons worth of fluid. The material is soft and breathable, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Number 3. Allbase Women's High Absorbency Incontinence Underwear. Introducing Allbase Incontinence Underwear for Women. Designed for ultimate comfort and protection, these are perfect for everyday wear. Experience superior absorbency and leak-proof protection. These are ideal for periods, postpartum, and bladder control needs. Crafted from soft, washable cotton, these briefs offer a sustainable and comfortable alternative. Enjoy freshness throughout the day. Available in convenient multipacks and a range of plus sizes. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Enjoy discreet and reliable protection with these period panties. They provide peace of mind without compromising on style or comfort. Choose Allbase for dependable and comfortable intimate care. Feel confident and secure, no matter the occasion. What we like. This choice boasts high absorbency and is made from comfortable cotton. Being washable and reusable makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. If you're looking for sustainable period protection that doesn't compromise on comfort or absorbency, consider this. What people say. The underwear is comfortable and fits well. It provides good protection and absorbs leaks effectively. The design is discreet and looks like regular underwear. Number 2. RedDrop Tween Period Kit. Introducing the RedDrop Tween Period Kit, designed specifically for girls aged 9 to 12. It's everything you need to feel prepared and confident during your first period. This comprehensive kit includes 30 everyday pads for light days, 14 flow day pads for moderate flow, and 14 flow night pads for overnight protection. You'll also find 10 maximum pads with wings for extra security. We've included 7 feminine wipes for freshness and a handy pouch to keep everything discreetly organized. It's designed for your comfort and convenience on the go. This kit aims to empower young girls as they navigate this new stage. It provides peace of mind and essential supplies for a smooth experience. With 76 pieces in total, this kit covers all the essentials. It's the perfect starter pack for any tween experiencing their first period. What we like? This comprehensive kit is perfect for beginners, offering a variety of pad sizes for different flows. It even includes feminine wipes and a pouch for convenience. If you're preparing a first period kit for a young girl, this provides everything she needs to feel prepared and comfortable. What people say. The underwear is very comfortable and fits well. It holds a lot of liquid and doesn't leak. The material is soft and breathable, which is great for sensitive skin. Number 1. INNERSY Women's Period Underwear 3-Pack. Discover the comfort and protection you deserve with INNERSY Period Underwear. Designed for women and teens, these panties offer reliable leak-proof coverage. Experience peace of mind with our advanced leak-proof technology. You can move through your day with confidence, knowing you're fully protected. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, these hipster panties feel gentle against your skin. Enjoy all-day comfort without compromise. Whether you're a teen or an adult, these period panties are designed to fit your needs. They provide a secure and comfortable solution for your menstrual cycle. Get more value with this convenient 3-pack. Stock up on essential period protection and be prepared for every cycle. Don't let your period hold you back. Our underwear ensures you feel confident and secure, no matter what your day brings. What we like? Featuring a leak-proof design and a comfortable hipster cut, these are perfect for teens. They offer reliable protection in stylish designs. If you're a teen looking for comfortable, secure period underwear that doesn't feel bulky, these are an excellent option. What people say. These are great for overnight protection. They are very comfortable and fit well. The absorbency is excellent, no leaks at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.